From 7-Eleven worker to private services attendant. You've been the problem solver, the multitasker, the one who stays calm when everything gets busy. That's exactly the kind of person families trust in their homes. Caregiving isn't about medical degrees, it's about reliability, compassion, and the ability to help someone feel safe. You've already been doing that on every shift. Now those same strengths can open a door to higher pay, flexible hours, and real independence. Instead of standing behind a counter, you could be helping someone live comfortably in their own home. It's still service, but it's service with purpose, pride, and a paycheck that finally respects your effort. You're closer than you think. Your exit from a meager existence can change today. The path to financial freedom is here. Follow it to the bank of knowledge. Invest a little time to control your future. Do it now. Here's the key. This is the path to follow. This is the entry door. This is your new library. Take the key. Change your direction. Welcome to a better you.